Today is a day of celebration here at Rego-Fix in the Center for Machining Excellence. And as we continue to celebrate partnerships, no exception to that role, we have Greg from SolidCAM. Greg, what's going on today, man?
Pleasure to be here. I'm happy to be involved in this grand opening for the Center of Machining Excellence. What a fantastic event that they're throwing here. And what a great way to bring everybody together and promote this fantastic industry.
It is for sure a party and a family affair. So very familiar with SolidCAM, and knowing that you are overseeing and facilitating so many of these strategic partnerships and relationships, tell us really how much these relationships and this effort means to you over at SolidCAM.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, opportunities like this are absolutely fantastic because it gives us a chance to showcase solutions that are industry-wide. Not only are we bringing a software solution, but we're able to partner up with companies like Rego-Fix, companies like Tornos here, and provide solutions for customers. You can have a whole package of entire industries that come together to make the parts that you need. So by being able to have these partnerships and being able to showcase them in a facility like this is just truly great.
Interesting. And so to my understanding, lots of ways that SolidCAM can collaborate with so many brands across the industry. But as we zone into Rego-Fix, what's going on here, man?
So Rego-Fix is a partnership that we've had for a long time, started up by our current COO, Ken Merritt. He was the partner manager when it started up. And basically, we've worked with Rego-Fix because of their excellent product, because it complemented our eye machining product that we have. And so we can take relationships like that and relationships that you'll find throughout the CME and how it integrates with SolidCAM, complements SolidCAM, and how we can complement those partners as well and just make it a great experience. So yeah, this partnership has been absolutely fantastic, and look forward to seeing where it goes in the future.
Anyway, just another example of how complementary solutions are providing convenience and value across the industry. Hey, everybody, this is Eddie with MTDCNC. We'll see you next time.